In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to delete coupons, which is one of the easiest tasks in the WooCommerce bulk coupons editing plugin by using the delete button designed in the main page. The most important feature that you can take advantage of when it comes to deleting coupons is using our filter form to exactly filter the coupons you don't need anymore and then remove them just by one click. The first thing you need to do is filter in the coupons by filter form. So go ahead and open the filter form and then go to the General tab. Then choose the exact dates from the calendar of expiry date field and then click Get Coupons. And as you can see, every coupon which their expiry date is in the selected range is filtered, and now it's time to delete them. So go ahead and first mark the checkbox next to ID to select all filtered coupons. Then click on Delete. And then choose one of the options, either move to trash or delete permanently. And that's all. Once you choose one of the options, all of the selected coupons will be removed. And if you don't know what the difference between move to trash and delete permanently is, just keep watching. We're gonna explain them in a bit. Alright, if you choose the move to trash option, the deleted coupons will remain in the trash page of WooCommerce. So you'll always have access to them in the WooCommerce coupon trash page, and you can also actually restore them. You can restore the coupons by choosing the move to trash option directly from our plugin. As you can see, as soon as we delete one or more coupons by this option, the trash tab will be added on the top of the coupon table, as you can see right here. And when you click on this trash tab, you'll see the coupons that we previously removed using move to trash. There are some options here when you select the coupons: restore or empty trash. If you choose restore, those selected coupons will be restored to the coupon table and you can actually use them again. But if you choose empty trash, the coupons will be removed permanently and you can't access them anymore, which means you won't be able to restore them either. Also, if you choose delete permanently, the coupons will be removed from your database forever and you won't have access to them in the future either.